Today I am going to explain part 4 of question number 2 of exercise 4.1. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers or less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Here question says a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform means constant, at a constant speed. Here speed remains the same, but we have to find the speed of the train. We assume speed of the train be x. Solution, let the speed of the train is equals to x kilometer per hour. Given distance is equals to 480 kilometers. We know time is equals to distance upon speed. Time taken to travel 480 kilometers, that is distance is 480, speed is x, 480 upon x hours. Here question says that if the speed had been 8 km hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. If the train decreases the speed, obviously it takes more time to cover the same distance. So, from the second condition, the train decreases the speed. So, speed of the train is equals to x minus 8 km per hour. Distance is equals to 480 km. Here distance is same. Time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 480, speed is x minus 8. 480 upon x minus 8 hours. Time taken to travel after speed decreases, that is 480 upon x minus 8 hours. 480 upon x minus 8 is equals to 480 upon x plus 3. I am adding 480 upon x plus 3 because question is saying that if the speed had been 8 km hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. अगर ट्रेन की स्पीड को 8 किलोमीटर आर कम कर देंगे तो 3 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लेगी, पहले वाले टाइम से ज़्यादा टाइम लेगी. तो पहले वाले टाइम में हम 3 ऐड कर देंगे. ये बाद वाला टाइम है, ये पहले वाला टाइम है. 480 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 8, आई एम टेकिंग 480 अपॉन x on left hand side, so it will become minus 480 upon x is equals to 3. Take LCM, x into x minus 8. X minus 8, x minus 8 will get cancelled. 480 into x, 480x minus x will get cancelled. 480 into x minus 8 is equals to 3. 480x minus 480 into x minus 480x minus into minus plus 480 into 8, that is 3840 plus 3840 upon x into x minus 8 is equals to 3. Plus 480x minus 480x will get cancelled. Cross multiplying 3x into x minus 8 is equals to 3840. 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into minus 8, that is minus 24x. Here I am taking 3840 on left hand side, so it will become minus 3840 is equals to 0. Here I am taking 3 common, 3 into x square minus 3 into 8, 8x, that is minus 24x, 3 into 1280, that is minus 3840 is equals to 0. X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. It is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is equals to 1, coefficient of x square is 1, b is equals to minus 8, c is equals to 1280.